All right, everybody, Bryce here, coming at you with another real quick crypto market update. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week and ready to rock and roll for the weekend. We had a big week. We've had a great month in crypto. Not only is Bitcoin up, Ethereum up, small caps are starting to rocket. I'm seeing some coins up 100%, 200% week over week. I think Bitcoin holding and breaking above $75,000 per coin has been sort of the line in the sand. It was the top of the last cycle. It was sort of the bottom of the crash that we had last year in April, and it is now a support zone. Okay, so this is good. It was a resistance point that's been holding us all year. So the fact that we're breaking and holding above 75K, this is great news. Ethereum's holding above 2,300, which is its support zone that it needs to hold above. So things are looking bright. April had $2.4 billion worth of net inflows into the Bitcoin ETF products. That is a really bullish sign. It just goes to show that throughout the market turmoil, volatility down, volatility up, we've got Bitcoin inflows. That means the large money investors and retail investors as well that hold these things. They're buying, they're dollar cost averaging, they're continuing. It had 8 straight days of inflows. But I think what's most interesting right now is the fact that we have a prime setup for a massive short squeeze in the market. How do I know that this is happening? It's because funding rates, which are the cost to go long and short, if funding rates are high, the longs pay the shorts. If the funding rates are low, the shorts get paid by the longs. Okay. Now, what we have here is something very interesting. Okay. We have something very interesting because we've had negative funding rates, meaning shorts are paying the longs quite a bit of a premium to stay short. But the price has been grinding higher. You see, this is the sort of the chart of the month, right? Price action over the course of the past, 25 days, 30 days. We have a very strong bullish trend in the market while funding rates are negative and while open interest is growing. So you put that all together, it just goes to show you have very aggressive shorts that are cut off sides, that every time the market sort of dips, those shorts are going to want to buy or close their positions. So this is what we have for sort of fuel for a short squeeze. And again, as we start to break higher, those shorts are going to get squeezed. Every short that's still in existence right now is going to be fuel for a higher price because they will be forced to buy higher or they will be cushioned on the downside. Again, so we're looking at open interest, we're looking at funding rates, we're looking at price, we're triangulating those three things, and we're saying, hey, this is prime market action, prime market structure for continued higher prices, okay? So I'm very bulled up. And again, we're above the 20-day and the 50-day moving average on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on several of these altcoins. That's a really good sign. We've seen big shoots, green shoots, big green bamboo shoots of price rising in the wake of this Aave Kelp DAO hack. I don't want to go into the specifics, but there's been a lot of money that's been flowing away from Aave to some of these smaller lenders, ones that we're really excited about. One that was actually the coin of the week in our newsletter this week. So I could go on and on and on. There's been a ton of excitement, and it's good to see not just Bitcoin and Ethereum participate, but we're starting to see breadth in the market. We're starting to see the small caps, the micro caps start to pump. So this is a really good sign. I'm excited. Full disclosure, I'm long, very long, and I'm ready to rock this absolute bull market. It's coming back slowly but surely, okay? So you want to make sure you're positioned. Anyhow, that's your quick market update. I got to jump, but it's been a lot of fun, and we'll see you guys on the other side. Now, real quick, if you don't already have a subscription service where you could get, actionable insights, newsletters, how-tos, video guides, written guides, technical analysis, market analysis, fundamental analysis, all that good stuff. If you don't have anything like that for the crypto market from a bunch of world-renowned analysts, but you really want it, then click that button below because for $1, I'll give you a 1-week trial to Crypt Nation. You can come and see everything you want, and you'll learn a lot. And let's go make some money. It's a good season. We'll see you there.